Hello, welcome back. We are here in Deurali and we will be camping here tonight.
सब यस्तो गाछ यहाँ हेर्न आउनु यहाँ त धेरै त्यहाँबाट नजानु भत्केको छ नि
हो
यस्तो छ हेर्नु खतरा छ गाडी हाम्रो त्यो ड्राइभरको त्यो पार्किङहरु
This is one of the most dangerous place I've ever been. It's mountain top and from here there is like a landslide, you know, and there are lots of villages down there. This looks very dangerous.
यो पहिला यस्तो थिएन सर हैन यो पहिरोले गरेर यस्तो भयो
So we just arrived in our destination and we will be camping up there, just right up there. Hi.
Hello. तपाईले के गरिरहेछ हामीले अघि नै उडाएर पठाइसकेको हेर्छु
So he's ready.
कुइलेले हान्नु मन लाग्छ हान्छ नि भाग्यो कुवार रुन्छ होला है
So everyone is ready. We will set up more tent and we are good to go. Hello. Ito बस्ने आज? Huh? Okay. Oh, भित्र बस्ने? So we are going to cook here. The ladies are making tea. 2 o'clock in the morning. Hello guys, it's 2 o'clock. Oh, some are busy heating up the rice and night food. Now we are done for this place. This place is also known as Deurali. So we'll be taking down our tents and we'll return back home. It's a beautiful place. You can visit this place by first going to Kodari and then climbing up from Kodari. If you're going with a vehicle, it'll take you maybe even less than 1 hour. Yeah, less than 1 hour maybe. But if you're hiking, it may take you 2.5 hours, something like that. Yeah. Okay, brother Urkan, you wanna say something?
No, we can. But
Why not?
this time I feel so much fun and के भन्ने अब हैन लाएर एकदम रमाइलो भइराछ। ट्याक्क लाएर भन्नु पर्दाखेरि यसो क्याम्पिङ आयो हामी चाहिँ धेरै माउन्टेन भन्दा पनि अलि तलतिर हैन त गफ ला जस्तो हुन्छ, तर गफ चाहिँ लाएर दामी भइराछ, एकदम रमाइलो। कुमार दाइसँग बस्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम सही लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ। आइन्दा पनि उपरान्त दिन म अपेक्षा गर्दछु कि कुमार दाइसँग फेरि पनि यस्तो भेटघाटहरू हुन सकेको। नमस्ते।
Here we are, and we are moving out one by one down the hill. Oh, it's a little bit cloudy again. Maybe it's about to rain. Rain, rain, rain. Your area it looks okay. It looks very dangerous. Looks like it can just fall down anytime, slide down anytime. Ngaysok Park. Hey guys. हजुर रोड जाने यहीलाई खोङखाङ. Look at this crate. Whoa. Oh. Heartbeat bangkit zo topai. So guys, thank you for watching our video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can wait for more travel videos. Thank you.